Detecting gas leaks quickly is crucial to avoid safety hazards. Technologies exist to sense the presence of gas in the air, but there are problems with this method. These sensors must be configured for a specific type of gas. The gas concentration must be sufficient to trigger an alarm, and the leak source may not be obvious. A better alternative is to detect a leak or surge in flow as it occurs. Flow monitors, also called flow sensors, are designed to send a signal to trigger an alarm when an abnormal condition is present. ChemTec's 125 series flow monitor detects changes in gas flow, indicating a leak, blockage, or surge. The 125 series employs a magnetic piston in the flow stream that is suspended by the repulsion of a fixed magnet. If the flow rate increases, the piston moves against the repulsion of the fixed magnet and actuates the hermetically sealed reed switch, triggering an alarm or visual signal. These monitors work double duty by detecting low flow conditions as well. If flow decreases below the calibration point, this causes the reed switch to deactuate. Contact the ChemTec team today to learn more.